Alright, well, we ran about half an hour. I don't have... Oh, my plug wire is... slowly getting away from the plug. But anyhow, I think another thing I see here, my fuel tank has moved to be close to the flywheel and it might be touching, so I'm just gonna adjust that real quick. But we ran for half an hour or so, and that's the longest we've ever run, and I didn't have an arcing issue. That's the important part. So the R18 finally has the correct new ignition module installed after, you know, a comedy of errors getting the new getting the replacement, which the service people were incredibly helpful with. It's fantastic service from them. And now the arcing issue, like I said, I think is kind of solved. But I need to move the fuel tank there, and I think it might actually have run out of fuel after that half an hour, because it was running pretty thick. And I honestly don't know how long it'll run on a tank of fuel, so my guess is that we're close to... In fact, I can just look. If I don't touch the hot engine and burn myself too badly. Yeah, it does appear that the fuel tank is relatively low there, so it may just be out of fuel. It's nice though. The R18 is finally in good running shape.